Hey everybody! Today we are going to be making the perfect gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. These are super easy and taste exactly like normal chocolate chip cookies. The winner of this video's comment competition goes to Kirsten. Congratulations. If you guys want to get a chance to get a shout out in our next video, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and give us your best comment in the comment section down below. Good luck! In a stand-up mixer, beat together 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Now beat in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now beat in 1 egg. Now add in 2 cups of almond flour. Finally, for our last ingredient, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Now, scoop your cookie dough onto cookie sheets. So now we're going to take a cup and just press down on the cookies because they will not spread. So we just want them to spread a little bit. Now bake them at 350 degrees for about 9 minutes. Now enjoy these delicious gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys are interested in being there when our videos premiere, all of our videos premiere every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11:30 Central Time. Thanks, guys.